Unboxing.
She's opening her presents. I want to see this one.
Oh, you open that
I don't
first.
see this. After, can you open this?
Okay,
myself?
let her open.
Oh! You suck. This asshole.
No, that's not how you open it. What? There's a boxes inside.
Oh no! It's like you have to
Yes,
find number
you
one.
will,
You're gonna get
yes.
oh, okay.
Later you
Angelo.
will open it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Ate. Mochi. What does the mochi mean? Mochi's like squishy. Really squishy. Thank you. Okay, Sonia. What is this? Wait, I don't want to see that. I'll do the as long as what is this? Mochi, squishy. Yep. Who gave me this? What's this? From you? Thank you. Sonia, my mommy tote bag.
Oh, she loves.
Thank you. Daddy, give me this. You that's good. Do you want me to tell you what this one is? This one is markers.
Because she asked for
I
that.
was doing the focus every time. I'm gonna check the promotion. I want to open this one out. Too much now.
Are you girls
Oh,
happy?
you
Yeah?
can say that. We're not just happy. We're so happy.
Happy birthday to me.
Sonny, look, there's a Kit Kat. I want this. Huh? It's so kitty. Look, there's a new. Huh? Can I pick? Pick up the two boxes. Oh. It's my melody. This is a candy. Blue candy. Where's my melody? I want pom-pom-pom. I want the heart. Mommy, I want pom-pom-pom. Oh, there! Purple Hello Kitty. What's this? No.
What's that?
This one looks like pom-pom. Ah!